Yes, you can make money online. It's possible. This guy was able to make a lot of money, guys, just by using his cell phone and also data. Imagine only that this guy was able to make a lot of money just by doing drop shipping. Please watch full video so you can understand what he did.
Yo guys, Shake Mud, I just made 5,000 within these 3 days, and I'm sure some of y'all are wondering how I basically did it. Guys, I go by the name of Passion. Guys, let me tell you something, how I basically withdraw money from my Depop. Basically, I use a payment method called PayPal. From PayPal, I use a bank called FNB because I'm based in South Africa. And how I withdraw, from FNB, you need to have the app. You see, when you have the app, it's more easier for you to withdraw, and also you can even view your PayPal balance in your FNB app. You know what I'm saying? So when you let's say example you will receive funds, because I received like about $290, and then let's say example now you wanna withdraw that money. You wanna go inside your FNB app, right? You're gonna see an option where it's written Forex. You click it, you go to an option where it's showing PayPal. Once you inside the option where it's written PayPal, there's gonna be two things that's gonna show you. If you already linked your PayPal already with your FNB, then it's gonna show withdraw and view balance. But if you never, then it's gonna tell you you gotta link your PayPal accounts. Once you're done with that, now you want to withdraw your money. So now even show you how much is there and how much it's gonna be when it's withdrawn in South African rands. The nicest thing is the money reflects the same day, so you don't need to like stress and all those things there, wondering when's your money gonna reflect on your FNB. It reflects same day. I think it's the new update for this year. So guys, if you wanna start,
You hear the guy. It's possible to make money with dropshipping, guys. Dropshipping is the new way of making money. People are making a lot of money through dropshipping. But the reason why you might fail on dropshipping is because you lack information, you don't have suppliers. You see, it's a lot of hard work, guys. It is a lot of hard work. That is why you will need the right information. And this guy was able to prove it to you. Imagine he made 5,000 in 2 days, 2 days or 3 days around there. But imagine, guys, making 5,000, 5,000. That's very rare in South Africa because unemployment is very high in the country that we're living in. So, guys, making money online is really possible, guys. And dropshipping is not the only way to make money online. I have other things that I can recommend that can make you money online. But to find out about those things, make sure that you watch my next upcoming video, and also remember to subscribe so that you don't miss out on my next upcoming videos.